Hello, my makeup queens. How are you doing? Woo woo. Hope you're staying safe. If you're not already, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell and like my videos, share my videos, and I'm just so excited today. I'm having a better day today. It's kind of boring because you have to stay in the house. You can only go out of the house if you get food, food or medicines or doctors. But see, I want your opinion on this. They want people to stay away from each other, and all this. But what do you think? Do you think all the restaurants and like food chains should shut down? Because I just don't get it. They want you to stay away from each other, so if you have it, you can't get it. But there are people that can get this virus, and they can get it and not know that they have it. Now, that's just kind of stupid. There are people going to be around food and everything. I think they should shut down the restaurants and like the food chains, and then just keep the grocery store open. You know what I mean? Let me know your opinion in the comment section, and I will be and you guys need to watch this. In the comment section, I will be leaving a link to a video. I cannot believe that this person did this, and I tried to send it to Inside Edition so that they can feature it on their show if they want to, because it needs to be seen and people need to watch it. So if you see this person, stay far away from them, because I'm not going to tell you, but you just have to watch. So this video, sorry about the long intro. So this video is about the 3503 Fierce by Nature Morphe palettes. Woohoo! I like this. I wanted this palette. These palettes I'm showing are palettes that I've been wanting for a while. And I did show you some of them in the beginning, but these are the rest of the ones I have shown you, the rest of the 6. So if you want to see what is in this beautiful, beautiful palette, stay tuned and let's get into this video. Okay guys, look at this beautiful palette. I love the bright orange and red and yellows and greens and the copper. It just looks so fancy. Again, this is the 3503 Fierce by Nature, and let's open her up. Whoo! Look at that, and the card has the names on them. Look at that, guys. The reason why I got this palette, this green, looks just so interesting. But I like the variety. You have like your nudies, like your dark colors. You have some bright orange pigments. You have a little bit like your lighter colors, and then some more nudes and some grungy colors. Yeah. So I'm gonna set her. I'm trying to set her right here. Let me get that, and we're gonna swatch some. So. Well, I'm trying to see how this goes. Okay. So, I'm going to swatch Come Alive, and the ones I'm showing you now is how I'm going to swatch them. I'm going to do Come Alive. I'm going to do Unstoppable. I am going to do Exploded. And then Hypnotic. So yes, this one. Okay. So I'm going to flip this over here. First one is the green. Ooh, these are so soft. And these are pigments. Now with pigments, you build them up. That's how you get the color payoff. But here, this is just one. If I want to do it again, I can do it again. If I want it even brighter, I can do it brighter. So there is that one. The next one I said was this pink. Whew. That one right there. That's really pretty. Really, really pretty. The next one is the orange. And you don't need to put a lot of pressure. That would be a pretty eye look to do with all those. You don't need like that much. And there is fallout. Let's see. What's the other one I said? This one down here. This dark plum. Wow. And see, that can be built up too. Whew. There's a beautiful. Let me get a thing. I think I picked one more. Let me wipe my hands off. And like the pinks will stain your eyelids. Let me dry my hands. Okay. Let's pick this one. This is another orange. Oops. This is like a deeper orange. This is more like a bright orange, but that's more of like a deeper. It is fallout. And I'll do one more. Let's try, I'm drying my hands. Let's try this gold glitter. Wow. I need glitter glue, but there, I just took it off my hand. But there is this one. That's really, really pretty. And one more. I want to do this burgundy one. I'm just going to go right here. Burgundy, right there. So yeah, so this is the 3903, I said. Yeah, 3503, sorry. Fierce by Nature. And they're affordable. Their palettes, I believe, can range from like $12 to $25. But yeah, they're affordable. So if you like this video, let me move you guys up. If you guys like this video, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and become a makeup queen. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.